Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing an exciting unboxing, and that of course is my OwlCrate unboxing for the month of February. So this one did come a little bit later, hence why it's getting a little bit later of an upload. I should also be uploading my January unboxing simultaneous to this one, so keep your eye out for that. But I did want to upload those just to keep on top of them. But yes, this is the February, of course, OwlCrate. I think I have a very strong idea of what the book is going to be for this month, so I am kind of excited about that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on into the box. Okay, so the first thing we have on top here is of course the little spoiler card, which I'll hold on to reference. This looks very cute and has girls with a couple types of like magic spells that they're doing, which looks pretty cute. I like that. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is very exciting. Oh, I actually need one of these. Mine is getting so gross. Okay, so this is a hairbrush. This is great, and it comes in this really cute like star and moon bag, but this is a basic white bristle hairbrush with like a lotus mirror moon printing on the back, which again is super cute. And this, let's see, is the Star Daughter inspired hairbrush. Cool. Created by Team OwlCrate. Like, so how cool is that? Like, this is so awesome and so universal. Love that. Okay. Next, we have the Lost Jawa Rat, an OwlCrate exclusive bath salts from the soaplibrarian.com. So that's super cute. And let me go ahead and give these a smell. It smells like tea. It smells like the lemon iced tea candle from Bath & Body Works. If you guys have ever smelled that before, it's like an Arnold Palmer type smell, which is interesting. I'm not mad at it, but it's interesting. Okay, so this is, let's see. We Hunt the Flame inspired bath salts created by the Soap Librarian. Perfect for reading in the tub. Next, we have, of course, the monthly pin, the enamel pin, and this is a really pretty, like, moon sun type pin with, like, this blue and bronze. Like, how pretty is that? I will be honest, I'm not a huge pin collector, so I usually tend to pass these along, but I always think they're so beautiful and so uniquely designed. Okay, next, oh, interesting. Okay, we have a keychain, and this is inspired by Daughter of Smoke and Bone by Laini Taylor, and this is designed with love by Lively Ghosts. And this looks like a coffin style with, it says Poison Kitchen, with like hand holding a flower. Cute. Very fun. Okay. Next, we have a fun pouch, and this one says, Light Takes Risks, Follow Your Heart. In like this kind of leathery type material. These are always so great because you never can have too many of these little pouches, which I love. Super cute. Just plain black on the inside, which we love. I do wish this charm, for whatever reason, was more on the end little hoop. You know what I'm saying? That seems kind of weird to have it in the second one, but whatever. All right. Hard to zip shut. Oh, it's because I got it stuck. All right, we'll deal with that later. Okay. Next, we have something in a box. Okay, and this is an OwlCrate collectible book tin. Okay, what does that mean? And it's inspired by the Shades of Magic series by V.E. Schwab, designed in collaboration with Forensic and Flowers from the Library of Red London. Oh, wow. Oh, this is really cool. Okay. So it says Magic and Madness, the Marshish Monarchy. You can read, I promise. I can read. Oh, wow. Oh, this is cool. Okay. So look at this. That is stunning. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. And then it's got like a cityscape around the edges. It's like a really solid like tin. And it says, blood was magic made manifest, there it thrived. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. And I have maybe a spot on my shelves I could put this, but that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love that. That's really cool. If they make these like a series, that would be sick to have like these as a collection on your shelves. I love that. Okay. So I was wrong about the book that I thought it was this month, which I'm a little bummed about, but this is stunning. Really, really stunning. Okay, so I did actually order this book. I actually have this book in person. So again, I'm a little bummed, but this is, yeah, the OwlCrate for the month of February, which is The Gilded Ones by Namina Forna. This looks really beautiful. The cover, let's see, the original cover, let me grab it. Okay, so this is the original cover that like I mentioned, I got earlier this month, and this is the OwlCrate edition. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this one significantly better. So I might end up keeping this one and donating or returning this one. This is just so beautiful with like the details in the background. I just think it's really stunning. So yeah, so for those of you guys that don't know, The Gilded Ones is about a girl who is in, I think, an African community. I don't know which one specifically, I apologize. And there is a test within her community where they do a blood cut, where if you have blue or red blood, you're fine, you're considered good, but if you have gold blood, you're considered like a demon or a monster or something along those lines. And of course, she has gold blood. So it just kind of takes place and starts the events from there. And we're peeling the wrapping off. I think this is so beautiful. I think, yeah, I'm definitely keeping this version. It's just so pretty. Like, look at the difference without the detail. Like, this just has so much more to it. So yeah, this is stunning. I think this is so beautiful. And I think these are always signed copies, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I like that. I think that's super cool, and I'm excited to read this. I think it's going to be a really great read and very popular for this year for sure. Okay, and also it has this as the undercover and the regular one does not. So yeah, we are keeping the shiny green and beautiful one. So, all right, friends. Well, that is it for my February OwlCrate unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave the link down below for you guys if you want to check out OwlCrate for yourself. It's one of my favorite subscription services. I love it so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.